Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to jailbreak iOS 18.0.1. Let me show you my iPhone updated to the latest iOS version. Jailbreaking gives users full control over their device by unlocking it, allowing them to install apps, tweaks, and custom features that aren't available through the official App Store. It lets users customize their device's look, add third-party apps, and access features Apple doesn't offer. I will show you the magic of jailbreaking an iPhone. As you can see, customizable themes, tweaks, wallpapers can be installed with the package manager offered by the jailbreak tool. These package managers have unlimited features to play with. Let's get started. Open the Safari browser and head into pangu8.com to get iOS 18.0.1 jailbreak tool. This site brings you the latest jailbreak tools and information. The first step is you need to install the Pangu 8 Pro app to get the best jailbreak tool. Unc0ver Black. Once you downloaded and installed Unc0ver Black, open it and start the process. It will check the iPhone's compatibility before jailbreaking your device. The steps are very easy to follow, and it takes minutes to jailbreak the device. Within the entire process, you don't need a computer. It is the biggest advantage of this jailbreak tool. Just after the jailbreak completes, the next page will show you the Cydia Dark download button. So I hope that you have successfully installed Cydia Dark on your iPhone. By referring this video, please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos.